Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use high contrast text on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to select additional settings and scroll down again. Then choose accessibility and tap on vision. Finally, you can scroll down just a bit and click on the switcher next to high contrast text. As you can see, higher contrast is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!